PM Magazine and Channel 8 invite you to play the Pepsi Challenge TV Cash Game. It's an exciting weekly event that could help you win up to $500. All you have to do to play is simply collect the starred bottle caps from Pepsi-Cola products. Then watch the Wednesday edition of PM Magazine at 7:30. Each week we'll reveal a winning number. If your caps match, you win. But save all your caps because they could be winners next week. The Pepsi Challenge TV Cash Game, every Wednesday during PM Magazine here on Channel 8.
Two great athletes, Don Scholander and Larry Steele, will be joined by a third, Lisa, as they all swim laps for the handicap, benefiting the Kerr Center for Handicapped Children. You can join them on Saturday, May 8th by swimming, sponsoring a swimmer, or by making a direct donation. Information is available at these pools, or by calling the Swim-A-Lap hotline, 239-8106. Your assistance can make a real splash in a Kerr kid's life.
Order up. Man, $7.50 for a steak sandwich? They gotta be kidding. Where's this country going?
Well, I get my news from Ralph Wenke. You know, the anchorman for Channel 8. And Ralph says...
When Ralph Wenke talks, people listen. Watch News 8. It's teamwork you can count on.
Hey, this is Bargain Barney for the Oregon Library Association, here to show you how you can save money by using the library.
Oh, Barney.
Yes, it's my mom.
Just look at my poor fern. I'll have to buy another one.
No, Mom, let's check this plant book from the library. See, all it needs is vitamin Z12. There.
Oh, Barney, thanks.
Remember your library where it pays to borrow.
The first full-length Swan Lake for Portland in over a decade is coming to the Civic Auditorium. Channel 8 and new decaffeinated RC invite you to opening night. Just pick up your exchange coupon on displays of new decaffeinated RC with the true taste of cola without the caffeine and save $2 off any seat opening night. Join us as the incomparable Ballet West performs Swan Lake Thursday, May 6th from Channel 8 and new decaffeinated RC.
If you're curious about what makes things tick, how the facts stack up, what's new under the sun, or in your own backyard, watch PM Magazine. Because when it comes to facts, families, food, fashion, fame, fads, and forecasts, we're as curious about life as you are.
PM Magazine, weeknights at 7:30 on Channel 8.
If there's a fire, or you need the police, or an ambulance, real fast, the number to call is 911. 911. Tell your children, your family, and friends. For fire, police, and ambulance, remember, it's 911 to the rescue.
Tom and Jerry will return after these messages.
At Tom Peterson's, the grand opening of our new microwave department with over 100 microwaves on display, just in time for Mother's Day. As advertised in today's Oregonian, not one, not two, not three, but every last microwave in the store on sale. Choose from Linton, Hot Point, Sanyo, Whirlpool, Panasonic, or this super buy in a full-size Samsung microwave oven. Only $279, and there's only one place to buy a microwave, and that's Tom Peterson's.
Here comes the kid. Power, power. The Blockbuster kid. Power, power. The kid wearing Blockbuster's got kid power.
Keep your eye on the kid. Power, power. The Schooner kid. Power, power. The kid wearing Schooner's got kid power.
Look out for the kid. Power, power. The Game Breaker kid. Power, power. The kid wearing Game Breaker's got kid power.
Available at better shoe and department stores everywhere.
Tu ne peux pas imaginer comment j'ai souffert.
Oh, did I tell you they're thinking about cutting out Jamie's French class next year?
Less classes, more taxes. What's next?
Well, I watched Channel 8 News with Kathy Smith, and Kathy says...
When Kathy Smith talks, people listen. Watch News 8. It's teamwork you can count on.